Everyone, once again I welcome you all in my today's new session, and today we are going to talk and discuss more about the flexibility. In this session we are going to emphasize more on how to activate lower body as well as the upper body muscle group with the help of static and the dynamic flexibilities. Let's start with the static flexibility, and we are going to perform in the sitting posture. So before we start any activity, there are few key points which we would like to discuss. Now first key point is you should arrange a exercise mat if you have. Keep a water bottle. Now while doing the exercises, the main focus is going to be on the muscle mind connection, and you should also try to focus on the normal. First exercise is hip stretching. So sit straight on the mat, fold your left leg, cross it beside your right knee, and grab your knee with the help of both the hands. Try to pull your knee upwards, back straight. Remember the few key points which we discussed in the beginning. Try to connect on your muscles and keep your breath normal. Hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now release the leg. Now fold your right leg, cross it beside your knee, grab your knee with the help of both the hands. Try to keep your back straight, shoulder remain normal, breathe remain normal. Hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now release knee. Next exercise of static stretching is fold your leg, cross it beside your knee. Now take your right arm back, cross your left arm over the knee. Try to grab your toes or ankle joints where you can grab easily, and twist your upper body towards the right hand which is beside your body, and hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. If you feel stress on your face, close your eyes, hold it for 10 to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back, release your arm. Step by step you will come back to the normal position. Now release your leg. Now with the left leg, fold your left knee, place your heel and toes beside the right knee. Take your left arm back, cross your right arm over the knee. Try to grab your ankle joints or wherever you can hold easily. Now twist your upper body towards the left side. Look backward as much as possible for you. Hold it in this position for 10 to 20 seconds. If you feel stress on your face, try to close your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Release your arm. Place your arm in the side of the body. Release your leg. Open your leg wide. Take your head up and catch your breath. Relax yourself. Another exercise. Fold your knee. Place your heel and toes beside the left thighs. Keep your body straight. From side, take your arm upward. Pull your body up. Slowly release your breath and try to go forward. Grab your left toes or ankle joints and whichever part of the leg you can hold easily, and inhale. Slowly exhale and take your head down towards the left knee. Hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. Slowly come up, reach forward and try to come up. Remember, while performing this activity, muscle mind connection is very important. When we emphasize more on the muscle and mind connection, the effect is very different. Now perform with the other leg. Fold your left leg, place it beside your right thighs. Take your arm up, pull your body forward. Now try to reach forward as much as possible. Grab your toes, ankle joints, whichever part of the leg you can hold easily. Don't let your elbow go sideways. Bring your elbow downwards and take your forehead down. Continue breathing. Hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Reach forward. Take your arm up. Now, third variation. Place both the leg in front. Posture, leg remains straight. Take your arm up. Breathe in. Slowly exhale and go down. Focus on the muscle-mind connection. Hold whichever part of the leg you can hold, whether you can hold the toes or the ankle joints. Remember, your legs should remain straight. Take your forehead downwards towards. After holding your toes or the ankle joints, take your forehead down. Try to take your nose towards the knee. Try to keep normal breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up, reach forward. Slowly inhale and go up. Exhale and come down. Another variation is open your leg wide as per your comfort. Make sure your back should remain straight and you should not feel any cramp or pull in your muscle. Now try to keep your upper body straight. Take your arm up. Try to bend down sideways towards the right leg. Hold your toes or the ankle joints. Take your forehead sideways. Take your head sideways down. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. And slowly come up. Upper body remain still, straight, and go sideways towards the left leg. Hold whichever part of the toes or the heel you can hold easily. Slowly come up. Remember, your focus should be on the muscles. Whichever muscle group is more involved in this exercises, your focus should be there, so you can have better muscle and mind connection. Once again, come up and go down other side. Continue doing it now. Hands remain up. Try to come forward between both the legs. Take your forehead downwards towards the floor. Try to reach forward as much you can. Hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly take your arm up. Now make it more dynamic. Go down. Come up again, go other side. Continue doing it in a dynamic way, so you'll have more better effect on the different muscle group. Now try to reach forward, come up and bring your hands down and relax. We are going to do butterfly now. So fold your knee, bring your heel as close as possible to the body. Try to decrease the gap between body and the heel. Take your knee downwards towards the floor. If it's possible, you can use your elbow to press your thighs downwards. Try to keep your upper body straight as much as you can. Now you can move your knee upwards, downwards like a fly wing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly release your leg, bring it down. Now sit straight, fold your leg. Now twist your body sideways with both the side. Both the knee take towards the right side and bring it to the left side. Now make it more dynamic. 1, 2, do it 10 times. 3, 4, 5. Now while doing it, focus on the muscle and mind connection and focus more on the love handles, which is the side part of your abdomen. It will also help you to improve the flexibility as well as will cut down the fat from the side part of the stomach. Now after finishing 10 sets, you can sit straight. Now relax. Remember, You can continue same activity for one more set, and duration should be 10 to 15 minutes. If you do it every day, you will find that all the muscle groups are activated and you are more ready for any other workout. Now we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you so much for your all love and support. You gave a lot of response to my previous video, and I'm hoping that this video will also like and you will subscribe and share. Looking forward to see you in the next session, which is going to be more energetic, more creative and more fun.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.